Hey guys, this is Mike the Scrapper. I have 3 wire strippers I'm going to review today. 2 of them from TNT Tooling and 1 from Zoda Tools. Let's start with the first of 2 from TNT Tooling. So this is my old TNT Tooling wire stripper. Now this is the new one. You notice that little hole there in the center? We'll talk about that in a little while. It has all these adjustable screws that you can raise and drop the blade as you see fit for the wire. So now let's say you have some wire, let's say this is 12 gauge, and you have to cut it. Now you can cut yourself doing that, but now with this new TNT tooling, look at that. That's what that center blade is for. Now you take your 12 gauge and you find the proper hole, and that's it. 1, 2, 3. You can adjust the blade as you see fit, and look at that. Now the WSA wire stripper tool from TNT Tooling is $77. Now this is another gadget from TNT Tooling, which I found very interesting. Now you have these pieces here that guide the wire in the center, and on top there's a blade. On the sides it also protects the wire from being moved, and as you can see, you can adjust the blade to go directly on top of the wire. Now that holds the wire there and it pushes it as the blade cuts it. And when I'm holding there, that actually attaches to a drill. So now we're going to screw this into my bench and you're going to see how this works. This is excellent. Let's say you have like 30 feet of wire, maybe more, or you can't use the other TNT Tooling wire stripper, and let's say you have arthritis. This is perfect for you. So now I put in some 12 gauge wire, I adjusted the blade, and now I'm going to attach my battery operated drill. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. And here it is again in slow motion. Look how it cuts it with ease. See that? It cut the plastic housing. No problem. So imagine if you had 30 feet of that or more. You'd be done in a few seconds. Now the WSX wire stripper machine runs for $249. The drill and screws are not included. Now this is a very interesting product from Zoda Tools. Where I'm putting in the wire, that's a guide. There's 8 of those that comes with this machine, and it comes in different sizes. Each guide is a different size for a different size wire. All you have to do is put in a guide for the wire. You have to get a utility knife that's not sold with the Zoda tool, and just like I'm showing you now, that's it. 1, 2, 3. You can bolt it down if you like, or just do it like I just did now without no bolts. And look how fast that is on stripping the wire. Now the Zoda tool comes at a price of $49.88.